Good morning. Today it's day number 4. I work with this filler and therefore I didn't finish yesterday's stairs. It's vertical. It's nice. I cannot say that I'm very surprised about the size of the stairs. I already figured out before that they will be large. And they actually are big. You see the living room, it's extremely small. Like all houses small. Before I have done damage on these steps, I would like to clean up and paint with oil. Last steps. It's heavy. It's really heavy. Okay, we need to place glue. The railings are missing, but I will not do this today or tomorrow. I have some main work what to do, and after some week, when I will be prepared the material, for sure we will create railings, and then it will be like final presentation for stairs. I like shape of the stairs and size. The room, living room themselves is too small. Like it's almost, there is no living room, it's just corridor. If you are interested to see how it looks, the final view, including the front steps and the railings, consider to subscribe, press like button if you like. Yes, this really can support my channel. And thank you very much that you was together with me. I also hope that I will find very soon time and I just will finish stairs. Thank you. Bye.